Hey, welcome to my backyard garden. Today I'm just going to take a little tour of the garden, show you what I've planted and where I'm going with it. So I started with these beans about 3 weeks ago. I've got some yellow beans here and green beans on this side. And I've got almost 100% germination, it looks like. They've come up really well, and in fact they're still coming up. And this is going to give me about 25 to 30 pounds of green beans once I'm done harvesting in about 5 or 6 weeks. This is my squash and cucumbers and pumpkin that I just planted today. I've got long neck pumpkin, some acorn and butternut squash, and lemon and Space Master cucumbers under here. I'll put the rack up once they start to grow, maybe get about 6 inches tall. I'll put the rack up that you've seen in my prior videos. Garlic's doing well. That'll be ready to pick in about 5 to 6 weeks, I think. This is lettuce that I started early and planted here. And then I've got some radishes over there. This is the lettuce that I planted in October, I think it was, October or September of last year. And it's just nuts. This is red romaine, and this is salad bowl. That's the only two lettuce I have in there. And I've got kale here that I had planted also like in last September, overwintered it, and I've got that. So I've got plenty of salad greens to take care of me, maybe in half the neighborhood, until this gets ready to pick. And I like to get my lettuce large. I don't like to pick it, cut the greens when the lettuce is small. I just go ahead and let it grow and maximize my production. Over here I got my peas. Put the peas rack up. Peas are coming up good. This is really interesting. On this side of my garden bed, always has trouble with the peas. They just don't sprout as well here as they do at the other end. Don't know what that is. Maybe they just don't like it over there. Turnips. Got my turnips that I had started early, transplanted them in here, and a few days ago, well, they're starting to come up right there. See? I got new turnips coming up. I planted 2 more rows. So I'm going to do some succession planting, which means I've got these growing. These are probably about a month in at least. And then I'm going to start a new crop here so I can just rotate back and forth all summer long. And over here I've got carrots. I planted these a couple weeks ago, covered them up. The row cover helps keep the soil from drying out, because if the soil dries out, then the carrots that are sprouting, they'll die off, and I won't get a very good germination rate. I won't get a very good crop. So I did that, and I'm going to get probably 35 to 40 pounds of carrots out of that bed. I got myself a new tool this year. If you noticed, if you've seen my garden videos previously, I don't have my irrigation system in. I'm not going to irrigate this year. I'm just going to use my watering wand. I picked this up for about $25, and that's what it is. Right there. Got it at my local hardware store, and it does a really good job of giving me a nice water flow. And it doesn't take long to water my beds. I can probably get through this garden in about 5 minutes or so, watering everything down probably once a week. So anyway, that's what I've been doing with my garden, and this is pretty much what I'm done with as far as planting for now, anyway, until at least probably June when I start to harvest some stuff up, maybe late June. So hope that gave you some ideas. If you like the video, give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you would. Leave your comments and questions below, and go ahead and ring that bell to get notified of my future videos. I'll be back soon with more stuff. Bye-bye.